Limosaero was founded to develop a long-endurance solar-powered UAV. Targeting endurance is allowing it to fly all day without generating emissions. This opens up a range of use cases in remote sensing and atmospheric monitoring, not currently available with the technologies that exist already today. The project involving Aberystwyth University, in particular the consultant Dr. Ben Roberts, was looking at monitoring, reporting and verification of land interventions for the capture of or storage of greenhouse gases. So the particular problem Ben was able to support us with was what techniques and methods might we use if we're trying to deploy a long endurance drone to monitor the health of a peatland site. To be able to progress our project looking at monitoring and verification, the first step was to do a feasibility study into how drones might be used, and that's where Ben came in. His experience with peatland health and peatland monitoring allowed him to provide expert input into what approaches we should try and take and which ones were best not followed because they were unlikely to work, which got us through the feasibility study stage and highlighted the key routes that we should take forwards to develop the product further. Overall, our experience with working with Aberystwyth University has been excellent. It can commonly be the case that working with very large organisations can be complex and bureaucratic, but I didn't experience any of that. The team on the finance and the contractual side were very efficient, and we were able to put together what we needed very easily. The consultant in particular, Dr. Ben Roberts, did an excellent job. He was, again, always diligent and efficient in the work he did, and provided us a lot of really valuable insight into the work that's followed on from it.